Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 9 of our English literature book, and the chapter is Robin Hood and Maid Marian. So, this is a story about Robin Hood and Maid Marian. In this story, we will read about these persons. So, students, let's read the chapter thoroughly. So, listen to me very carefully. Only then, students, you can understand the full concept of this story. Students, reading of the chapter is very important. Only then, when you have understood, when you will understand the story clearly, only then you can answer the questions. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, okay, let's start the reading of the story. Some say that Robin Hood was the son of the Earl of Huntingdon. Some say that Robin Hood was the son of the Earl of Huntingdon. Students, Earl means a very high ranking person, जिसकी काफ़ी अच्छी इमेज होती है, that person. तो कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि रॉबिन हुड अर्ल ऑफ हंटिंगटन का बेटा था. ओके. एज अ बॉय Robin lived in his father's castle until his father was killed by the sheriff of the Nottingham. As a boy, when Robin was small, when he was boy, he lived in his father's castle. वो अपने पिता की कैसल में रहता था. Until his father was killed by, जब तक उसके पिता की डेथ नहीं होगी, जब तक उनको मार नहीं दिया. किसने? शेरिफ ऑफ नॉटिंघम. Nottingham is a place and sheriff means an officer. Not very far away from the Earl of Huntingdon's castle, Lord Fitzwater had a castle. Okay, Earl of Huntingdon's castle के पास में ही Lord Fitzwater की एक castle थी. Between the two castles was a forest called the Sherwood Forest. Okay, students, between the two castles, first one castle was the castle of Earl of Huntingdon, and second, the castle of Lord Fitzwater. There was a forest, and what was the name of that forest? Sherwood Forest. The Earl of Huntingdon's son, Robin, and Lord Fitzwater's daughter, Marianne, often met in that forest. Now the story begins. You have understood, students? I am telling you one time in Hindi. Okay, listen. अर्ल ऑफ हंटिंगडन का बेटा कौन है? रॉबिन हुड. उनकी कैसल है. ओके. लॉर्ड फिज़वाटर की डॉटर है और उनकी भी एक कैसल है. दोनों की कैसल्स के बीच में क्या है? एक फॉरेस्ट, और उस फॉरेस्ट का नेम क्या है? शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट. एंड इन दैट फॉरेस्ट रॉबिन एंड Marianne met. The boy and the girl soon became friends. When they met in the garden, in the forest, then after some time they became friends. Marianne was a pretty girl. She was beautiful and she was also strong. Okay. She could use the bow nearly as well as Robin, and he had taught her to use a quarterstaff. Okay. Quarterstaff means this is a tool and it is used as weapon. एक हथियार की तरह इसको यूज किया जाता था. So Marianne was pretty as well as strong. It means she was good in these things also. Okay. It was a very sad day for Maid Marianne when the Sheriff of Nottingham took the Earl of Huntingdon's castle and made young Robin leave it. Now इट इज़ वेरी सैड डे. मेड मारियान के लिए वो दिन बहुत बुरा था जब नॉटिंघम के शेरिफ ने क्या किया? अर्ल ऑफ हंटिंगडन की जो कैसल है उसको ले लिया एंड रॉबिन को वहाँ से जाना पड़ा. For a few years she heard nothing about Robin. Okay, for some years, for few years उसको कुछ पता नहीं चला रोबिन के बारे में. Then one day she heard two men talking about the outlaws of Sherwood Forest. कुछ दिन के बाद क्या सुना? मारियान ने सुना, दो लोगों को बात करते हुए सुना शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट के आउटलॉज के बारे में. मतलब किन्हीं लोगों ने वहाँ का कानून जो है वो तोड़ा था, उनके बारे में सुना. देर आर मोर देन 100 ऑफ देम. वन मैन सेट दे स्टॉप द रिच ट्रैवलर्स इन द फॉरेस्ट एंड स्टील देयर मनी एंड बिलोंगिंग्स. तो वो बोल रहे हैं दोनों कि वो 100 के करीब हैं, से भी ज़्यादा हैं वो लोग जो रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. और वो क्या करते हैं, अमीर लोगों को रोक लेते हैं फॉरेस्ट में और उनके पैसे वगैरह चुरा लेते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल read till here. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, and I am giving you some hard words to write in your fair notebooks. So write also them. Thank you.